Best air fryers. Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines 6 functions into one compact device. It offers air frying, broiling, dehydrating, crisping, roasting, reheating, and baking, making it perfect for creating a wide range of meals with ease. The 6 QD capacity is ideal for families or meal prep, allowing you to prepare large portions quickly and efficiently. With its advanced technology, the Vortex Plus ensures even cooking with minimal oil, providing crispy, golden results for your favorite foods like fries, chicken wings, and vegetables. The air fryer function uses hot air circulation to cook food, producing a crispy exterior while maintaining a tender interior, perfect for healthier versions of fried foods. The unit is also designed for convenience. It features a user-friendly touchscreen interface that allows you to easily select your cooking mode, adjust temperature, and set the cooking time. Additionally, the Vortex Plus comes with a range of preset programs to simplify cooking, helping you create your meals with just a few taps. For added versatility, the Vortex Plus comes with over 100 in-app recipes, making it easy to explore new dishes and find inspiration for meals. Cleanup is a breeze as the air fryer's components are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. As a product from the makers of the Instant Pot, the Vortex Plus maintains the high quality and reliability associated with the Instant Pot brand. Its sleek black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a convenient and efficient multifunctional appliance that provides quick, easy, and healthier meal options with the added bonus of easy cleanup. Its versatility and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 2. The Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 offers a versatile cooking experience with a range of features that make meal preparation quick, healthy, and easy. With a large 6 QT capacity, it provides ample space for cooking meals for families or preparing larger portions, while maintaining a compact design that fits well in most kitchens. The air fryer offers 9 cooking functions, including roast, bake, dry, reheat, frozen, broil, proof, and more, making it an all-in-one appliance for various culinary needs. The Cosori air fryer uses advanced turbo mode technology, ensuring even cooking results at temperatures ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature control allows for consistent results, whether you're air frying crispy snacks, baking, or roasting meats. It promises up to 95% less oil compared to traditional frying methods, providing a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without compromising on taste and texture. For ease of use, the air fryer features an intuitive digital touchscreen interface that allows you to quickly select your desired cooking function, adjust the temperature, and set the time. The pre-programmed settings for different foods take the guesswork out of cooking, making it simple for both beginners and experienced cooks. The air fryer is designed for fast cooking, significantly reducing meal preparation time. It also includes a non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket for easy cleanup, saving time and effort after meals. In summary, the Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 combines versatility, efficiency, and health-conscious cooking in a compact design. Its wide range of cooking modes, precise temperature control, and ability to reduce oil usage make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to make quick, delicious, and healthier meals. Number 3. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS is a high-performance countertop oven designed to deliver professional cooking results in a compact and stylish package. Made from brushed stainless steel, this air fryer offers durability and a modern aesthetic that complements any kitchen. One of the standout features of the BOV860 BSS is its versatility. It functions as an air fryer, convection oven, toaster oven, and more, offering 13 cooking functions including air fry, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, and reheat. This all-in-one appliance allows users to prepare a wide variety of dishes, from crispy fries and chicken wings to perfectly roasted vegetables and baked goods, making it a versatile tool for any cooking need. The oven uses an Element IQ system, which intelligently adjusts heat distribution to ensure even cooking and optimal results. The convection fan ensures faster cooking times and improved crispiness for air-fried foods. It also offers precise temperature control, allowing you to set the oven between 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for everything from slow roasting to high heat broiling. The BOV860 BSS is designed with convenience in mind. Its large 1 cubic foot interior can accommodate up to 6 slices of bread or a 13-inch pizza, making it suitable for family meals or cooking in larger quantities. The oven also comes with an easy-to-read LCD display, allowing for intuitive control of temperature, cooking functions, and time. The non-stick interior and removable crumb tray ensure easy cleanup. In conclusion, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS is a powerful and versatile countertop appliance that combines multiple cooking functions in one sleek design. Its precision cooking, speed, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. Number 4. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation while promoting healthier cooking. With a 4-quart capacity, it is perfect for individuals or small families, offering enough space to prepare crispy fries, juicy meats, and vegetables with little to no oil, making it a great option for healthier meals. This 4-in-1 air fryer features multiple cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, giving you the flexibility to create a wide variety of dishes. Whether you're cooking frozen foods, roasting vegetables, baking desserts, or dehydrating fruits, the Ninja Air Fryer can handle it all. The air fry function circulates hot air around food, delivering crispy and evenly cooked results, similar to traditional frying but with up to 75% less fat. The intuitive control panel allows users to easily adjust the temperature and time for precise cooking. It operates at temperatures ranging from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring optimal results for different cooking needs. Additionally, the air fryer includes a wide range of preset cooking programs that take the guesswork out of meal preparation, making it convenient for users of all skill levels. The compact design of the Ninja Air Fryer makes it easy to store and fit into most kitchen spaces, while its non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts ensure effortless cleanup. Whether you're making quick snacks, full meals, or reheating leftovers, the Ninja AF101 delivers fast, even cooking with minimal oil, making it a must-have for anyone seeking quick, healthy, and tasty meals. In summary, the Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a compact and multifunctional appliance that makes cooking healthier meals easy and efficient. Its ability to air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, combined with simple controls and quick cleanup, makes it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Number 5. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a versatile and family-sized appliance designed to make meal prep quick, efficient, and easy. With a 7-quart megazone and a unique basket divider, this air fryer allows you to cook large proteins and full meals simultaneously. The FlexBasket feature enables you to cook 2 different foods in one batch, with the option to control each side's temperature and cooking time independently. This smart finish feature ensures that both foods are ready at the same time, making meal preparation more convenient. The Ninja DZ071 offers 6 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and a new feature to cook 2 foods in different ways. Whether you're air frying crispy chicken wings, roasting vegetables, or baking a batch of muffins, the air fryer delivers fast and even results. The 7-quart capacity is perfect for large families, allowing you to prepare generous portions of food in a single session. The temperature range spans from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you flexibility for various cooking needs. It uses a powerful air circulation system to deliver crispy, golden results with minimal oil, helping you prepare healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. The appliance is designed for ease of use, with a simple control panel that lets you adjust cooking settings, time, and temperature. Cleanup is hassle-free, as the basket and divider are dishwasher-safe, making it easy to maintain. In conclusion, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a powerful, family-sized appliance that offers flexible cooking options for preparing a wide range of meals. Its large capacity, dual cooking zones, and multiple functions make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process while enjoying delicious and healthier meals.